Yo, what the fuck up, Crazy Nation? It's your boy SB repping that Kraayziie. You know what it is? I'm back again with another reaction. This is to DK, Lightning and Thunder. Let's get this shit started. Let's get it. Let's go. Shout out to JFX Visuals and shout out to Prod Music.
She freaky, she need me. If I tell you everything, would you believe me?
Ooh, smooth.
Freaky, she need me. If I tell you everything, would you believe me? Yeah, she intrigue me. If I tell you a secret, would you believe me? Yeah, her body top notch. She get better by the minute, and she got me undone, yo. She ain't never hold up. She keep pushing and pushing, and I do anything she wants to. Don't you tell me what you want from me? Yeah, why you making it so hard for me? Yeah, don't you tell me what you want from me? Yeah, why you making it so hard for me? Yeah, lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby. Can we go under? It's making
Jeez!
me, yeah. Lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby. Can we go under?
Lightning and Thunder, it's got me panicking. Can we go under?
Baby, can we go under? It go down, it's making pressure, so baby, can we just hold on? Lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby, can we go under? It go down, it's making pressure, so baby, can we just hold on? Simmer down, I can never swim whenever you come around. See me now, no hesitation, no patience, the time is now, let me knock you down. Girl, you looking so damn fine, walking past, all I wanna do is press rewind. But the dangerous body, you got that fresh design. No, I'm getting impatient, just let me read your mind. Don't you tell me what you want from me? Yeah, why you making it so hard for me? Yeah, don't you tell me what you want from me? Yeah, why you making it so hard for me? Yeah, lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby, can we go under? It go down, it's making pressure, so baby, can we just hold on? Lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby, can we go under? It go down, it's making pressure, so baby, can we just hold on? Slow with it, never forcing it, girl, you gotta move it, rhythm, how you're so sentimental, yeah. Go with it, yeah, you're so in it. You throw it back like a winner, turn my dreams into nightmares. Slow with it, never forcing it, girl, you gotta move it, rhythm, how you're so sentimental, yeah. Go with it, yeah, you're so in it. You throw it back like a winner, turn my dreams into nightmares. Lightning and thunder,
God damn.
so in it. You throw it back like a winner, turn my dreams into nightmares. Lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby, can we go under? It go down, it's making pressure, so baby, can we just hold on?
Is that a Meek Mill reference? I swear that's a Meek. Yeah, it is a Meek Mill reference.
Lightning and thunder, it's got me panicking, baby, can we go under? It go down, it's making pressure, so baby, can we just hold on?
Bro, that's a banger. This is a banger, man. Y'all fuck with this. Alright, cool. I bet. Alright, what do I have to say about this? What do I have to say? Yo, this track hits, man. I'm curious to know if this guy's got any more fucking music, man, because this guy's fucking cold. He's got a song on Spotify called Wave. Alright, cool. Yo, no lie, man, this guy's fucking cold. I actually really fuck with this a lot. Like, bro, there's so much potential in this guy's ability, and there's so much variety that this guy can reach just from like what he delivered, bro. I like his flow as well when he started to rap. I was like, alright, bet. Like this guy sounds fucking sick. I'm curious to hear more. I'm curious to see what this guy's gonna do in the future, and I'm curious to see yeah, just see what he's gonna do in the future, bro. The visuals were sick as well. I really fuck with the visuals. The beat was nice as well. Like it's just I feel like the way that this guy came into the song was so smooth and so cold with it. You get what I mean? And it just hit. It just hit from the get go, and I fuck with that, man. When I hear music like that, I really like that. And as well, I'm a big fan of R&B. I'm a big fan of like a mixture of R&B and hip hop. So this is fucking cool. I'm actually curious. Like I said, man, I'm just curious to see what they're gonna do next, and I'm curious to see what he's gonna do in the future. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. So if you like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe, and remember, keep living a crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Whoop.